Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sabrina and I'm back with another Excel tutorial for you. Now, if this is your first time here and you're looking to develop your Excel skills, then start now by subscribing and hitting that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new content. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create word art in Excel. So if you look at my spreadsheet here, you can see I've got a table of data which displays the test scores for each student across the year. And I've inserted an extra row at the top for my title. Now, for the title, I want to use WordArt. So in order to do that, what you would do is you would go up to the Insert tab. You would then go down to the Excel ribbon and just go towards the far right-hand side of that Excel ribbon. And then you want to go to the text command. Okay, so if you click on the drop-down arrow just underneath text, you will then see an option for word art. You will see different word art styles of text. Okay, now you can select the one that you prefer. So I'm just going to go for, let's go for this one here. Okay, so I'm going to go for this particular word art style. So you would just simply click on the one that you want to select. So I'm just going to click on this one. And then that will insert that word art for you in your spreadsheet. Okay, so you can see it's basically a text box. The word art is inside that text box, and then you can literally click and hold your mouse and move that text box around and place it, in a preferred location on your spreadsheet. So I'm just going to put it right at the top there. Okay, you can even resize that text box as well. So you'll see that you've got white circles around that text box. So you can hover your mouse over one of those white circles until you see a double white arrow. And then you can click and hold your mouse and then drag your mouse to resize the text box accordingly. Okay, so you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. And you can also format the text as well. So in order to type in that text box, you can simply click into the text box and then just highlight the text and then just type over it. So I'm just going to put in my heading, which will be student test scores. Now you can see that because of the size of the text, the word scores has gone underneath. Okay, so I can actually just click into one of my white circles on the text box. So I'm just going to click and hold, and I'm just going to drag this towards the right in order to give the text box more space for my whole heading. Okay, now if you highlight that text and then go up to the Home tab, you can edit the font as well. So you can, decrease the font size. So currently you can see it's set to 54, but you could decrease that as well if you wanted to. Okay, so I'm just going to go for 48. It's currently in bold style, which is absolutely fine, but you can change the font style. You can also change the color of that font as well. And even you can change the alignment. So currently it's in the center, the text is centered align, but you can actually align it to the left-hand side. So if you click on the left alignment tab or command there, and that will align your word art to the left-hand side. Okay, so you can format the font and the alignment through the Home tab. All right. If you go up to the Shape Format tab, this will allow you to do more formatting around your word art. So for example, you've got shape styles. Okay, and then you've got shape fill. So if you click on the drop down on the right of shape fill, you can choose a specific color. So let's go for maybe an orange color. Now what that does is, as you can see, it colors in your text box, right? Shape outline will basically put a border around your text box and then you can specify the color of that border as well. So for example, if I click on that drop down arrow and choose black, it will put a black border around my text box. Okay. If you go back up to shape outline again, you can even increase the thickness of that border. So if you go down to weight, you can actually select a different weight here. So what you can do is if you go down, you can see as you go down, the lines, they get thicker and thicker and thicker. So you can actually choose a preferred border weight for your text box. So I'm just going to go for this one here. Okay, so this puts a thicker border around my text box. Okay, you've also got WordArt styles here under the shape format tab. So you can actually change the text fill and the text outline. So you can change the color of your text fill. So if you click on the drop down arrow on the right of text fill, now currently it's selected to black, okay, so that's why your text is black, but you can change the color of that also. So for example, you can go for a white color, okay, you can go for blue, so you can choose a specific color. So I'm just going to click on white because I've got a dark orange background. Okay, so that will change the fill color of your text. You can also play around with your text outline. So that again is the border of your text. Okay, so currently that's also selected to white. Okay, but you can actually change the outline or the border of your text. So if you wanted to make it black, you could do that, or you can go for another color as well. Okay, so that's it really for word art. I hope that's helped. If it has, please do like and share the video so that it can reach out to more people. And do consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any new videos. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.